Hello, how are you all? Okay, I hope you have a very good day today. So, my name is Rizal. This is my second video. So, today I want to talk about the singing. All right, I believe everybody loves singing, and today I want to story to you that actually almost all of us can and maybe can learn how to sing because according to new studies by Canadian almost 98.5% of the population actually can sing, right? Only maybe about 1.5% of the population is about suffer from a condition called congenital amnesia. So it's like a difficulties for you to sing, right? So it's like because almost everyone and should learn to sing. So it's like if you have a pair of vocal folds that can provide sound. Can you tell the difference between high note and lower note? So this good news is 98% of us can sing. So and what you do is we can be taught how to sing. Okay? And the rest of 1.5, well, not to be discriminated, but um this have a have a tone of pitch that maybe it's not sometimes uh, it's different in the rhythm. Okay, but anyway, I believe every one of us can sing. So this is from the start. You know, if you play well-known melodies, say tune of Happy Birthday, and you play few wrong note, but still people can understand and people would know the and identify the errors straight away. Okay. However, some of our congenital amnesia might not notice the wrong at all. Right. So you can example that when you sing happy birthday to you, to me, then some of us we know that hey you make mistake in note. Okay. But naturally talent aside that most of us can be taught how to sing. So you can go for the private vocal lesson and practice maybe for a few months. And after that, if you have like a wrong pitch, so the tutor or instructor can actually identify, and after that, teach you how to make the accuracy of the pitch. So in this lesson, that you go every week, then after that you can perform, or maybe you can perform all stages. Uh, you can actually sing like Justin Bieber, Bob Sheeran out there. Who knows, right? And you can perform to your family, or you want to be a trend now, busking. Eh? This is one of the thing and place that you can do, right? So in this experience, how do you do is you try and error first and correct your errors, right? So it doesn't matter you sing in the anywhere, but maybe you are shy, start to practice in a very private place, uh, I, and you're doing your bath, so it's like that. So uh, just want to say that some of these talented singer also make practice every day. So they to make sure that they don't get stuck when they're singing. So, but let me tell you how the singing actually work. Okay, understanding exactly how the singing work is primarily complex, filled with officials. There's a rather significant leap from singing in the shower or being part of community choir. So although both are a great place to start, but to pursue singing professionally, so you need singing practice. So singing practice and training involve generating a sense of vocal freedom. So you need to throw your voice. And this is what you sing when you watch someone sing movingly, right? And beautifully, but seemingly without effort, right? For most singers, this is because of years of practice. So you go and develop it with your kind of freedom. So you start practice and sing, even though someone may say, hey, you have not a good voice, but coming forward, maybe in the others way of singing, then they can see, hey, this guy is good, right? So it maybe take about 10 years or more than that just to master how to sing, but in the development, I believe that you can make a start, a good start, because we all are born with a singing voice. Right? That is one of the key ingredients. The early, you can see the baby crying, how to tone the fish, and then how they can cry, and after that, make a noise. Then that actually attracting us. Okay, and some of the key components of singing is a body of pitches, dynamic, rhythm, and phrases. And but some of us may have the advantage that they have the advanced training, right? So it's like a factor of influence singing and ability to what extent. So the gene also play a role in this speech accuracy. For example, that if maybe your family come from the singer background, then it's one of the advantage. But if not, you can see some of the singers out there is not from the family of singers, but they actually can sing very well. Okay, so physical and skill control of this also is one of the main criteria. So the act of singing look simple, but actually involve highly skilled control and coordination of muscle. So you want to see this muscle can need to be both flexible and strong. So the true control comes from the training. Okay, so you can control your voice, control your how you throw your voice. Then, so the person need to be able to control the air pressure in the lungs and use the abdominal muscle to push air through the trachea. Yeah, where it's made the vocal fold, which is start to vibrate, and a very good singer, vocal head posture and alignment. The breath management are meshed with the elimination self-expression and creativity. You can see that they are jumping around and sing. So this is one of the years of training in order you to do that. And a really good completely professional pop singer isn't just born that way. They also need an inquiring mind, dedication to understand the psychology of vocal instrument, and the discipline and daily practice of warm up and variety of exercise, and a deep understanding of music harmony, ability to notate and transcribe music, some degree of improvisation and stagecraft of skill, right? Like film stars learn to sing all the time for role. Okay, so they may not know how to sing, but they have to if they have the role. So usually founded by the team of vocal teachers and month of daily practice. Eh? So the result aren't always perfect, but it's not necessarily where it's important. Eh? So example like maybe you can do this practice in your own, have a bit of force and shoot, and after that enhance to the correctors. So if you never sung professionally, all right, if you ever sung professionally, all right, um, singing, but you want to try to sing, I encourage you to give you it a chance that you can be taught sing, and even you can have benefit to try. Okay, singing increase your breathing control, right, and lung capacity, so you can improve heart health and release the happy hormone oxytocin, they call it oxytocin, and elevate your mood and reduce pain, so that you enjoy singing. Okay, and might even increase your immunity. Even practicing a new behavior like singing can be good for your brain. So, like you must remember the chorus, right? So it's when you go to learn, you practice, okay, I remember this chorus. So it's same as go to go sing. So enjoy singing. Find the teachers that can love singing and teaching appropriately and incorporate the knowledge of the for the anatomy and psychology into the vocal teaching. Once you start, you likely realize that singing can bring benefit of for life, right? So it's only not only that you enjoy the singing, also you will know that when you start singing, then you will feel the anxiety inside yourself. You can remember most what you have seen, and after that you also can take that abilities to another thing like remember what you read, especially to the student like us. Okay, all right. So this is one of the main story, but I think maybe I can give one by you. something. So I will sing this song that I hope you like it. So let's have a try. Okay. All right. So this song from um, Elvis Presley. I hope you enjoy it. All right. Wise men say only fool rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can help falling in love with you? Thank you. That's it, and see you in the next video. All right. So I hope you enjoy my video this time, and see you again.